Hello, what's up guys and welcome to Ultra's Crypto channel. We'll be diving deep into this wonderful project. But before we start, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for education and entertainment. So enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of using traditional payments cards that give you basically nothing in return? Imagine a card that transforms every swipe into an opportunity to earn crypto rewards and enjoy exclusive perks. Well, let me introduce you to the Bybit Card, where spending smarter leads to living better. Stay tuned because this could be the payment revolution you have been waiting for. Say goodbye to boring rewards programs and hello to crypto rewards with the Bybit Card. Whether you are grabbing a late or shopping for a stylish outfit or paying for your favorite subscriptions, every transaction puts value back in your pocket. So what makes the Bybit card stand out? Let me break it down for you. First, earn crypto rewards on every transaction up to 10% cashback with rewards of up to $600. If you ask about payment flexibility, choose between crypto or fiat balances for every strip. Zero card issue fees, no annual charges, and even free withdrawals up to 100 monthly. And guess what? The Bybit card is fully digital, compatible with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, so you can spend smarter without carrying a physical card. And now here's the kicker: Bybit card holders get 100% cashback on subscription to Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView. Yes, you heard that right. Your subscriptions can essentially pay for themselves. And with the Bybit card, your ordinary moments become extraordinary. From travel to dining, every swipe helps you live your best life. Plus, VIP members enjoy complimentary worldwide DHL delivery for added convenience. And Bybit take your asset protection seriously with advanced security features like 24/7 fraud monitoring, two-factor authentication, and instant card freeze via the app. And for those who love to save, earn up to 8% APR with auto saving, no transfers needed. And now let's go step by step how to get the card. First, you need to log in. Click on login. If you have already an account, you can log in by using the email and the password, or your email, Google email, or your Apple, or your Telegram. And if you don't have an account, you'll click on sign up and enter your email and password, and for the referral code you will find our referral in the description below. I have already an account. Let's log out. And here we go guys. After you log in, you will click on get your card. After get your card, you will select your country and click on continue. Then guys, you'll need to verify your eligibility for your country by using the national ID or the passport or the driving license or the residence permit. Let's click on verify. After you do that guys, you need to set your residential address, like the address of your home, and all the necessary details. After that, you need to make some additional info about your annually income and why you will use the card and why you using Bybit. And then you will confirm your informations. You'll confirm where you are from and all the necessary steps. You'll do it guys, it's so easy. And after that guys, you'll go the card under review. You wait around 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes, and here is the card, guys. The Bybit card. Here is your card. You can deposit and you can top up your card by every amount and use it easily for every transaction. And also you can pay with USDT, USDC, MNT, Tone, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and BNB coin. Also, guys, it's auto cashback activated, and if you are ready to join future of payments, don't miss out the incredible perks of the Bybit card, whether it's cashback on your everyday expense or crypto rewards. It's time to spend smarter and live better. Click the link in the description to get started today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.